Morning, everyone. Today I'm going to talk about why is teaching English abroad a good career choice. Throughout the course of my crazy, awesome, and exciting life, I've been lucky enough to have many cool and fun jobs ranging from pizza boy, soldier, special agent, gigolo, model, consultant, author, and you name it. Simply put, the worst job was working in a boring office, and the best job was and still is teaching. Why? That's simple. Teaching is fun, exciting, never gets boring, except if you have a boring student, and you get to meet loads of hot chicks for guy teachers and loads of hot guys for lady teachers, or whatever your sexual preference may be. You'll have fun and also make tons of money if you play your cards right. You're also your own boss. Now, don't forget, all the fun and most of the fun lies within teaching private English lessons, not at a language school where you're restricted on many aspects. Office work is good if you want to be a slave to the machine, become a zombie, die young, be unhappy, and have no life. The choice is yours, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to make quite a bit of money, tax-free, meet loads of great people, live in Asia or anywhere else in the world that's fun, cool, and exciting, and experience awesome cultures and crazy fun, then teaching private English lessons is definitely for you. If you want to have a boring and mundane BS life, then office work is for you. It's just that simple. You make your own destiny and are the architect of your success and fate. Don't forget it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com. Take it easy and have a good day. Peace out.